This is Pluckley Ghost Walk. Nestled in the quaint Kent countryside lays ancient Pluckley Village. Despite its beauty, this is the most haunted village in England. Pluckley Ghost Walk is an experience at paranormal ground zero. Famous across the globe for its ghosts, hauntings, and legends. Here the dead outnumber the living, with ghost stories dating back generations. Will you unlock the dark secrets of Pluckley Ghost Walk? Will you experience the long-dead spirits of this strange land? A paranormal encounter you won't forget. Join the hunt and test your beliefs. Murder, mystery, and the undead await. Pluckley Ghost Walk. Book now at pluckleyghostwalk.co.uk. Pluckley Ghost Walk. It's time to ask yourself, what do you believe? VIP tours also available. pluckleyghostwalk.co.uk.